Welcome to Armand Academy. Like and subscribe for more content and drop your doubts in the comments. Share with your friends and classmates. For private tuition in these subjects across all boards and universities, contact me here or the link in the description. Let's get started. We've been asked to find the present value of an annuity which pays 200 at the end of each 3 months for 10 years, assuming money to be worth 5% converted quarterly. All right, so we have to find the present value of an annuity. Now, the normal formula for the present value of an annuity is equal to the periodic payment, open bracket, 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus r to the power n, the whole thing upon like this. Okay, what else do we need to keep in mind? They are saying it is for 10 years, but at the end of each 3 months. So it's not correct for us to take n as 10 because it's happening every 3 months. So how many times a year? We have got 12 months in a year, 12 months in a year, and the payment is happening every 3 months. Okay, so if we divide, we get four times a year. So when we talk about n is the not necessarily the number of years. N is the number of periods. Of periods. Number of periods. Okay, so what is going to happen? I need to find out the number of periods, which will be 4 into the number of years, which is 10. So I get n as 40. Then what else? This r, which they're telling us, 5%. Okay, but now I am not receiving this 5% on a yearly basis. This is effectively for the year. So the question is per quarter, how much? All right, so it is 4 times a year. That means this 5% is for all 4 times. Per time it is how much? So I'll have to take, okay, so quarterly return or quarterly interest, if I have to calculate. All right, I will have to take 5% and divide by 4. Okay, which is 0.05 upon 4. And now it's a good time to use the calculator. All right, so I will take 0.05 divided by 4 and I get 0.0125. 0.0125. Okay, having done this, I think now I'm in a position to substitute into the formula. Okay, so I'm going to do downstairs over here. The present value annuity is equal to the periodic payment that we are receiving, okay, which is 200. 200 in bracket 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus r, and in our case it is 0.0125 raised to the power of n, number of payments 40 divided by r, which is 0.0125. Yes. Okay, and when you want to solve this on a calculator, okay, first we can do 1 plus 0.0125, which gives us 1.0125, 1.0125, and now we can do 1 divided by 1.0125, which gives me this. Okay, but this is for the first year. Now, if I want to go to the 40th year, okay, let's see, have they given us any values? No, we have to do this the hard way. So that means again, I'll have to do divided by 0.0125, or alternatively, this is for the first year. Now I press equal to, this is for the second year. Third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, seventh year, eighth year, ninth year, 10th year, 11th year, 12th year, 13th year, 14th year, 15th year, 16th year, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. I've just kept on pressing the equal to button. Or you can keep on dividing by 0.0125, whatever you want. We can't help it because this is a simple calculator. We don't have the ability to take the power. Okay, so what I've done is I've solved the minus component. So I will now make this number minus, okay, and I can add this 1 which you see over here. Okay, so plus 1 and then divide it by 0.0125 and that gives me 31.3269. Okay, 31.3269. So I have 200 into 31.3269, which now I can multiply into 200. And that gives me 6265.39 because this rounds up to 9. 6265.39, give or take. And I have 6265.38, which is the closest answer. I hope this was straightforward. Any doubts, feel free to ask.